Hi guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how we can add our AdSense to the YouTube account. So first of all, you have to check you are eligible or not. So make sure your channel meets the requirement for the YouTube partner. So once you find out that you are eligible, then sign up for the AdSense for YouTube. So you can just go to YouTube Studio and navigate to Earn tab. Then click the sign up for AdSense and then simply sign up. On the third step, you can select or create an AdSense account. If you have already have an existing AdSense account, you can just simply sign in with the corresponding Google account. If you don't have, you will be guided through the process of creating a new AdSense. On the number 4, associate your YouTube channel. So confirm the YouTube channel you are associating with AdSense account. Choose the primary language for the channel. So this thing is very important. So depending on the language, your payment will be vary. Like if you are using like if your content are in English, you'll be get paid more. Now on the 5th step, accept the association and add billing info. So click the accept association to complete the link. You may prompt to add your billing information like the account which you are gonna get the amount money, etc, etc. So this was the video and this was the method. I have provided steps by steps. So follow these steps will help you to link your AdSense to YouTube. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video. Ta-da!